In this video, you will learn how to add the Google Slides Slideshow widget to your Arreya presentation. To begin, log in to your channel. In your dashboard, click the Content menu at the top of the page and then click Presentations. Click the green Edit icon on your existing presentation to launch the Arreya Creative Studio. On the top menu bar, click Widgets, then click Google Slides Slideshow. The top section shows a preview of how the slides will appear. Below the preview, you will find the widget settings. The first step is to publish your new slideshow in Google Slides. In your Google Slides presentation, click File, Publish to the Web. Click the Embed tab, and then click Publish. Select the entire embed code from the box and copy the text. Return to your Arreya presentation. Paste the Google Slides iframe code into the embed code field in the widget settings in your Arreya presentation. The slide duration setting chooses how long each slide displays. The control setting shows manual controls for advancing through the slideshow. The loop setting repeats the slideshow continuously. The auto start setting begins the slideshow as soon as the content loads. When you are finished with the widget settings, click the OK button to add the Google Slides Slideshow widget to your page. Drag the widget to move it, or use the bounding box to resize it. Click the purple brush icon below the widget to open the style settings. In the style settings, you have options for color, transparency, borders, shadows, and more. When finished, click OK. If you want to adjust the widget settings after adding it to the page, click the purple gear icon below the widget to open the settings menu. If you need additional Google Slides slideshow widgets, you can add additional slideshows from the Widgets menu and repeat these steps. When you are finished, click the green Push Live button to update your presentation.